So, hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a 7 day, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 16 till the 22nd of December. I'm going to pull one card for each day, and you can take it as messages, guidance, or simple plain challenges or obstacles that you might face in this particular week. If you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, that is the best healing modality of the whole universe, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And for one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book your consultations. You will definitely get every detail in the description box for the same. If you have any doubts, you can mail me on tarotanjali@gmail.com. So let's start, honey. Let's see for Scorpio what are the 7 messages for these 7 days. Let's see. 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd. Okay, honey. 16th, we have the creativity. The more you are going to connect with your creative side, your soft side, your feminine side, the more it's going to be easy for you to live your life to the fullest. Basically, doing something that you're really passionate about and enjoying that is going to help you to connect with your inner self more and more and enjoying your life more and more. That is the real essence of life. All we have to do as a human is to enjoy our life to the fullest, enjoy the drama while it lasts, and then like say goodbye to the worldly world and just be one with the divine. Enough of the spiritual talk right now. Okay, 17th December, the stress. So it's like, not my monkey, not my circus. Please do not take unnecessary responsibilities of other people as well that you might not be able to complete or finish on time. And then you are going to be stressed out beyond words without any reason. First thing. Second, even if this is your work, the more you are going to take on your plate, the more it's going to be stressful for you to deal with. So either share your work with somebody else if you can. If not, just take it one day at a time, take it step by step, and do the important ones first and least important one last. Okay, just try to relax, focus, and do it slowly. Okay, cool. 18th, we have the sorrow. Now, for some of you Scorpio, you might be on your spiritual path and you might feel like in order to achieve enlightenment or in order to achieve some kind of spiritual gain, you have to leave everything and everyone behind, and you have to like isolate yourself from everything. No, it's not like that. If you are feeling lonely, sad, depressed, or whatever, you can go out in the world and you can mix, and you can have fun, you can have everything that ordinary men do. And then also you can have the spiritual path, then also you can have the spiritual experiences, spiritual growth. Yeah, it's not like that. Don't isolate yourself, don't make yourself miserable by doing things that you should not be doing and afterwards blaming the whole world for that. Please don't do that. It's like inculcating pain on yourself, instilling pain in your own energies by yourself, and then blaming everybody for that. Don't do that. 1922. Yeah, 19th, we have the possibilities. So it's like the dawn, the like sun is going down. So the way the sun is going down, it is bound to go up as well. Even if you are not able to see the clear picture of future right now in front of you, you will be able to see it very clearly in the coming future. So keep going, keep doing your work, whatever is right, whatever is applicable in your case. Do not stop, because even if you are not able to see the right possibilities, right opportunities right now in front of your eyes, you will be able to see it very soon. Okay, Scorpio, so just keep going. 20th, we have isolation. On 20th, you might feel some kind of pain or some kind of energy of feeling like betrayed or feeling left out in the cold kind of energy by something or someone. It's your own personal energy that you're going through, it's your own personal journey that you're going through. Doesn't mean that you have to isolate yourself from everything and everyone and suffer in silence. Don't do that. Please share your energies, please share your thoughts and whatever you're going through with the right person, with the right energy, and you will definitely be able to come out of this phase very sure, very slowly but surely. So it doesn't mean if you are going through, you have to suffer in silence. Try to like be vulnerable in front of the right person, and you will be able to get out of this situation. 21st, we have the letting go, the art of letting go. The more you are going to practice the art of letting go in your day on the 21st of December, the more you are going to be at peace and ease. We can't always control everything that we are going through, especially the other people, other energies. So letting go is the right thing to do. Letting go and letting God, surrender. 22nd, we have the understanding. See, you have to understand that your own limiting beliefs, that your own energies of I can't do this, it's impossible, this is not happening, is kind of stopping you from going to your full potential. You should understand that you are totally different from others, but at the same time, you also have the power to do everything that others can do. Okay, so please do not create yourself create self bound self made boundaries and self made obstacles, and then blame the whole universe for that. You can just break free from the cage, and you can fly high. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.